Which type of vehicle uses a white number plate with black letters in India? Private vehicle. Yellow number plate with black letters is used for which vehicles? Taxi, truck. Black number plate with yellow letters belongs to which category? Self-drive rental cars. Which vehicles have a blue number plate with white letters in India? Foreign diplomats. Green number plate is given to which type of vehicle? Electric vehicle. Who uses red number plates with white letters in India? Governor, president. Which number plate allows you to drive anywhere in India without re-registration? Bharat Series, BH, plate. Number plates with the Indian national emblem instead of numbers are used by? Government vehicles. Black number plates with white letters and an arrow mark is used by which vehicles? Military vehicles. Plates with numbers like 0001 or 9999 are called what? Fancy number plates.